Have you ever wondered what secrets the moon holds, especially its mysterious South Pole? Our fascination with space exploration is deeply rooted in our desire to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos, and the moon has always been at the center of this curiosity. The intrigue surrounding the lunar South Pole is heightened by the potential presence of ice reserves, which could open up possibilities for human habitation and even fuel production for missions to Mars. This thirst for knowledge and exploration has led to groundbreaking missions, including one that has etched its name in the annals of space history. Today, we dive into the journey of India's Chandrayaan-3, a mission that made history by landing near the moon's South Pole. On August 23, 2023, India launched the Chandrayaan-3 mission, making history. It was a day of immense pride and significance as India, becoming the fourth country to achieve a lunar landing, etched its name in the annals of space exploration. But the Chandrayaan-3 mission was not merely about joining an elite club. It was about reaching a place no other country had, the moon's South Pole. Now, why is this region so important, you may ask? The South Pole of the moon is believed to harbor reserves of water ice. This frozen treasure could support human habitation and fuel production for ambitious missions to Mars and beyond. The Chandrayaan-3 mission, with its successful landing near the lunar South Pole, has sparked a new era of space exploration. It's not just about reaching the moon anymore, it's about exploring its uncharted territories. It's about the potential for scientific discovery and the promise of resources that could fuel our future in space. The mission was also a testament to India's frugality in space exploration. With a modest budget of around $74 million, India managed to achieve what many others could not, proving that success in space doesn't always require astronomical funding. It was a monumental feat, but the journey to this successful launch was not a simple one. Behind every successful space mission lies a tale of innovation, determination, and calculated risk. In the vast expanse of the cosmos, the journey to success is not a sprint, but a marathon. India's Chandrayaan-3 mission to the moon serves as a shining testament to this. A truly remarkable feat, it was not achieved overnight, but rather through a series of planned, incremental steps toward lunar exploration. India's strategic approach, starting with the Chandrayaan-1 mission, allowed the country to build capabilities over time. The journey was not about reaching the destination as quickly as possible, but about understanding the route, learning from each step, and ensuring that each move forward was grounded in a solid base of knowledge and experience. What's more, the mission was a masterclass in frugality. While other nations poured billions into their space programs, India made history with a budget of approximately $74 million. This was achieved by keeping the spacecraft small, reusing technologies, and maintaining lean worker salaries. In contrast, take Russia's failed South Pole lander, or NASA's planned Viper rover, both of which had significantly larger budgets. Yet, it was India's Chandrayaan-3 that reached the moon's South Pole first, demonstrating that success is not always a matter of how much you spend, but how wisely you spend it. The frugality of the mission did not compromise its ambition. The lunar South Pole holds strategic importance due to the potential presence of water ice, which could support human habitation and fuel production for missions to Mars. By successfully landing near the South Pole, India positioned itself as a formidable player in the field of space exploration. The Chandrayaan-3 mission shows us that it's not about outspending your competitors, but outthinking them. It's about being innovative, taking calculated risks, and most importantly, staying determined in the face of challenges. India's approach to space exploration, combining frugality with ambition, set a new standard in the field. Every groundbreaking achievement often comes with its share of controversy, and the Chandrayaan-3 mission is no exception. The mission's success was met with criticism from some quarters, most notably from Chinese scientist Ouyang Ziyuan. According to him, the landing site of the Chandrayaan-3 was not close to the actual South Pole. His argument? The site was far from the actual pole. But this criticism should be taken with a grain of salt. After all, exploration isn't about splitting hairs over distances. It's about pushing boundaries and venturing into the unknown. And that's precisely what the Chandrayaan-3 mission has done, going farther south than any other spacecraft to date. Let's not forget that the lunar South Pole is of strategic importance because of the potential presence of water ice. This could support human habitation and fuel production for missions to Mars. The significance of reaching the lunar South Pole, therefore, cannot be understated. Of course, it's worth noting that rivalry in space exploration isn't a new phenomenon. It's been there right from the days of the space race between the US and the former Soviet Union. Today, it's between India and China, among others. However, the focus should be on the accomplishment itself. India's Chandrayaan-3 mission has made history by becoming the first spacecraft to land near the Moon's South Pole. It's a testament to the country's progress in space exploration, and it's an achievement that has been accomplished cost-effectively, showcasing India's ability to manage costs effectively and build capabilities over time. So, while there may be some debate over the exact landing site, there's no denying the significance of this achievement. As with any groundbreaking venture, there will always be some controversy, some debate. But that doesn't take away from the accomplishment itself. Controversy or not, Chandrayaan-3's journey to the Moon's South Pole was a significant milestone in space exploration. And that's something worth celebrating, don't you think? The success of Chandrayaan-3 is not the end, but rather a new beginning in the exploration of the Moon's South Pole. Indeed, India's triumphant lunar landing has opened a new chapter in the story of space exploration, and other nations are eager to add their own narratives. The Moon's South Pole in particular has become a hotbed of interest and activity. The United States and China, two titans in the field of space exploration, are already setting their sights on this lunar region. The reason? It's all about water ice. Scientists believe that the Moon's South Pole may harbor significant reserves of this precious resource. If confirmed, such a discovery could revolutionize our understanding of the Moon and pave the way for future manned missions. Water ice is more than just a potential source of drinking water for future lunar inhabitants. It could also be used to produce fuel for rockets, allowing for more efficient and cost-effective space travel. Imagine a future where the Moon serves as a pit stop for missions venturing further into the cosmos. It's a tantalizing prospect, one that could bring the dream of Mars colonization closer to reality. But it's not just about ice and fuel. The lunar South Pole is also seen as a potential site for human habitation. With the presence of water and the unique environmental conditions offered by the lunar poles, we could see the first lunar colonies taking shape in this region. As our understanding of the Moon deepens, so too does the potential for us to call it home, even if only temporarily. In the wake of Chandrayaan-3's success, we stand at the precipice of a new era of lunar exploration. The Moon, our closest celestial neighbor, is no longer a distant, unattainable dream, but a tangible reality within our grasp. As we look towards the future, the Moon's South Pole continues to hold a wealth of undiscovered secrets and potential. And as we continue to explore and understand this fascinating region, who knows what other surprises await us in the final frontier? The future of lunar exploration is bright, and we can't wait to see what lies beyond the horizon. The journey of Chandrayaan-3 is a testament to what can be achieved with determination, innovation, and strategic planning. Let's look back at what we've learned. Chandrayaan-3, India's moon mission, stands as an impressive achievement in the annals of space exploration. Not only did it successfully land near the Moon's South Pole, but it also did so at a fraction of the cost of similar missions by NASA and Russia. This accomplishment, made possible by a blend of strategic planning, innovation, and cost-effective measures, has firmly positioned India as an emerging space power. The mission's success, however, did not come without controversy. The landing site was a point of contention, with a Chinese scientist claiming it was not as close to the lunar South Pole as reported. Despite this criticism, it's undeniable that Chandrayaan-3 ventured farther south than any other spacecraft to date, a fact that speaks volumes about India's capabilities and determination. But why does this matter? The significance of the lunar South Pole lies in the potential discovery of ice reserves. These reserves could play a crucial role in supporting human habitation and fuel production for future missions to Mars. making Chandrayaan-3's landing a strategic stepping stone for continued space exploration. Looking forward, the implications of this mission are far-reaching. The successful and cost-effective approach of Chandrayaan-3 has set a precedent for future lunar missions. It has demonstrated that ambitious space exploration goals can be achieved without astronomical budgets, opening up the playing field for other emerging space nations. Moreover, the rivalry sparked by the mission has fueled a competitive spirit in the international space community, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. As we continue to reach for the stars, missions like Chandrayaan-3 remind us that the possibilities of space exploration are truly endless.